Today our topic is different types of numbers. I have given a quiz link in the description box. Please give it a try. Now we will go on to the topic. Our topic is Maths Fundamentals. Index. Natural numbers, whole numbers, integers, even numbers, odd numbers, operations, and our last is parts of operations. Now we will go on to the next page. Now natural numbers. Our first topic is natural numbers. Now what is meant by natural numbers? Now we will go on to it. Now natural number means it starts with 1 and it ends with etc. That means there is no ending for the natural numbers. For example, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, etc. Now, the smallest natural number is 1 and the biggest natural number is infinite and the infinite symbol is this. Now, we will go on to the next page. Now, it is the whole number. Next topic is whole numbers. Now, what is meant by whole numbers? We don't know. So that now we will go on to that. What is the whole numbers? Now whole numbers means it will start with 0 and it ends with etc. That means there is no end for it. For example, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, etc. Now the smallest whole number is 0 and biggest whole number is infinite. Infinite symbol requires this. Now we will go on to the next page. That is integer. Integers means it is looking like a new word. Now integer also have another name. It is negative number. Now we will go on to the topic. Now negative number is we have 0. Before we have -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6, etc. And after that we have 1, 2, 3 normal numbers. Now before the -1, -2, -3 are we called negative number or integer number. Now smallest integer number is infinite and infinite number requires this. The biggest integer number is 1. Now we will go on to the next. It is even numbers. We don't know what is meant by even numbers. Even numbers means what is the meaning of even numbers means we will go on to that. Now for example, in ones place we should have 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. If we have these numbers in the ones place of any number, that is we call even number. The smallest even number is 0 and biggest even number is infinite. Infinite symbol requires this. Now we will go on to the next. Now if we have even number in ones place, the total number is even number. Now for example, 12, 50, 98, 100, 164, 196, 1222, 2330, etc. Now see here. Now for 12 we have 2 is a even number. So that the total number should be the even number. So that we have like that only for every number. we have like these numbers means the number should be in the even number. Now we will go on to the next topic. Now next topic is odd numbers. Odd number means what we don't know. It seems like even number. Now we will check. Now in the ones place should be these numbers, that is 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. If we have these numbers in ones place, the total number should be odd number. Now the smallest odd number is 1 and the biggest odd number is infinite. Infinite symbols requires this. Now if we have odd number in ones place, the total number is odd number. For examples, 11, 55, 99, 101, 167, 193, 1021, 2335, etc. Now here see first example. It is 11. So 11 we have in ones place is 1. So that 1 is the odd number. See here, the 1 is the odd number. So that it is the odd number. Now see here also all the numbers should be in the odd number. Now we will go on to the next. It is operations. It is like a new name, like an integer and the negative number. Now we will go on to the operation. Now operation means plus into plus is equals to plus and minus into minus is equals to plus. Now plus into minus is equals to minus and minus into plus is equals to minus. Now we will go on to next topic, even or odd. Now we in the before page we have plus and minus, like that only we have in even or odd. Now we will check how it will be. Now even plus even is equals to even. For example, 2 is a even number and the 6 is a even number is equals to 8. 2 plus 6 is equals to 8. So that 8 also is the even number. Next, odd plus odd is equals to even. Now for example, 3 plus 7 is equals to 10. Now even plus odd is equals to odd. For example, 4 plus 3 is equals to 7. 4 plus 3 is equals to 7. So the 7 is the odd number and the 4 is even number and the 3 is odd number. Now odd plus even is equals to odd. So 5 is the odd number, 2 is the even number and the 7 is the odd number. Now we will go on to the next topic. It is parts of a operation. Now we will check what is the parts of operation. Now we know the even plus even is equals to even. We know that and all. Like that only we have in another way. It is, we know addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. So that in the we have the numbers. If the numbers what we call, now we are discussing. Now plus is addition. We call plus symbol in addition. See here there was a plus symbol and addition. In addition we have three names, that is addend is equals to sum. Now like that only we will check in subtraction. Now subtraction. Now subtraction symbol should be like this, and the subtraction, in subtraction also we have three names. It is minute, subtrahend, difference. Multiplication. Multiplication symbol it be like a x, and in the multiplication also we have three names. It is multiplicand, multiplier, product. Now we will check for division. For division we have four names. We have divisor. in the first and we write second number is dividend. After dividend we have quotient. After the down we will write the final answer. It is the remainder. Now for example we take the divisor 3 and the dividend 12. Now we will division these two numbers. Now 3 4s are 12. We wrote 12 and by 0. Now 0 is remainder, 3 is divisor, 12 is dividend and the quotient is 4. Now we will check the examples of addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. See here, the addition we will check first. Now addend is 6 and plus another addend is 8 is equals to 14. The answer we will call is 14. Sum. Now we will check for subtraction. For minute we have 7 and subtract 3 is equals to 4 is difference. Now we will check for multiplication. The multiplicand is 2 and the multiplier is 5 and the product is 10. Now, thank you for watching. If you like the content, like, share and subscribe. Thank you.